Lindsey here, ushering in another beautiful month of weekly Whimsy. If you've just stumbled upon my weekly digest, welcome to your hub for community insights, exciting project showcases, and some tech insights. And be sure to find all links for everything I mentioned in this video in the description box down below. Let's get into it. Starting off with some updates on our exhilarating community. Our Discord community continues to shine and thrive, with a tally now at 3,736 members and a warm welcome to the 11 fresh faces this past week. It's evident our family is growing. On the sidelines, now is your chance to join our energetic and knowledge-sharing haven. Now diving into the world of Powered by Pinata, let's get ready to celebrate our creators and innovators. Presenting holograph.xyz on Marvel in the blockchain realm. Its prowess in minting multi-chain NFTs and championing secure cross-chain transfers isn't just about tech, it's about reimagining possibilities. With a focus on NFTs, DEXs, lending, and gaming, Holograph is becoming a North Star for developers and creators worldwide. Turning our sights to upcoming events, and in my home state, the majestic event Permissionless 2023 beckons from September 11th to 13th, 2023. This isn't just an event, it's a gathering of visionaries, a celebration of Web3, and an immersion into a future we're building together. Oh, and let's not forget, the iconic NFT brand Doodles is making their presence felt this year. If you're planning on stopping by, send us tons of pictures. I definitely want to see them on Twitter. Pivoting over to the pulse of Web3, Visa's recent foray into broadening its stablecoin settlement to include Solana blockchain is more than a headline. It's a testament to the evolving synergy between traditional finance and the crypto world. With accelerated cross-border settlements and the amalgamation of the likes of WorldPay and Nuvei, the future of payments looks more decentralized than ever. And now, time for a sprinkle of tech magic to wrap up. Ever pondered why IPFS seems to be at the heart of every DeFi conversation lately? We unveil the reasons in our fresh blog post by Marjorie. From fortifying security to pioneering a transparent financial realm, IPFS is not just an addition, it's an evolution. Join us as we explore the facets that make IPFS a DeFi champion. And with that, we come to the end of another weekly Whimsy episode. If this video added at least a glimmer to your day, show that subscribe button some love. But until next time, this is Lindsey signing off. Stay whimsical and happy pinning. Bye.